For more than 30 years, Eclipse has been focused on enterprise-class form, document and label software solutions, creating some of the most successful software solutions in the world. Our origin dates back to 1992, when CEO Steve Luke founded Eclipse Corporation, and we were introduced to Eclipse's first solution, Forms Plus 400. Soon after, JetForm was developed and dominated the market by the year 2000. The following year, JetForm was renamed Accelio and was acquired by Adobe Systems in 2002 to be rebranded as Adobe Central Pro Output Server. It wouldn't be long before Eclipse was connected. In 2007, two of the original founders, plus 4 other developers, joined together to create a new enterprise-class document designer system. Not long after, DocOrigin was born and introduced never-ending improvements to its customers. Soon after, Adobe Output Central was sunset, while DocOrigin remained on the market. By 2017, Eclipse Corporation had acquired all intellectual property exclusively. DocOrigin would connect with more than 4,000 customers and be installed in more than 50 countries. As we moved into 2020, Lifecycle would sunset, leaving many customers with no support. The Eclipse team capitalized off this opportunity, continuing to grow into the company we know today. DocOrigin is still leading by example, offering a comprehensive document solution that changes how people view their transactional documents and forms. Today, Eclipse continues to enhance our established, reliable, and flexible suite of document-generating applications, focusing on high performance to meet all expectations and requirements. See what DocOrigin can do for you. Visit eclipsecorp.us to learn more.